Hi, road trippers. This is Travel Towner, and today we are in Orlando, Florida, where we will be taking a short trip on Ivey Lane. We'll start up at the north end at Old Winter Garden Road and travel south to where Ivey Lane ends at Raleigh Street. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And if you love what you see, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing these videos with your friends. And if you really like these videos, the best thing you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can see whenever I put more videos out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the road.